Hi. Hello. Today we're going to make a bright, striking and very beautiful vest together. What's so great about these vests? Look, I'm wearing one, you can see another vest on the mannequin. And this one lying on the table is also very beautiful. These vests are eye-catching. Wherever you go, movies, theater, exhibition, cafe, with friends, or just a walk, if you wear it with jeans or a skirt, your outfit will look striking and beautiful. It's perfect for any occasion, both festive and everyday. And now we're moving on to pure creativity, choosing the materials we'll use to create our vest. Our vest will be bright, beautiful, and very textured. It will be so striking that wherever you go, everyone will pay attention to you. But to do that, you need to prepare and gather the right beautiful materials.
Can you use the sander through the net too?
Number,
No?
you can't pass through the mesh, because the mesh will pass to the layout.
Semionish.
And that's all. Farewell, brother. As agreed. I really want to start felting something like this right away, before the morning. I'll show you everything. Robe, it, the shoe, and the dressing gown. Batman. The Batman, you know, that's absolutely right. Looks good, right? So now all of this will turn into a nice little bed. It's just something fantastic. This is for a home party. Exactly. Listen, but I already have such a grain here, such a grain. And it's so beautiful. You can't even imagine.
And then film all of this.
Yes.